Hello and welcome kids. In this video we'll be learning how to make this cute little finger bird puppet. So let's start. All we need is a plain white paper, sketch pens and a pair of scissors. Let's start folding the paper now. I have taken a used paper. Basically I'm recycling the paper. So I'm going to take this side first and I'm going to cut my paper into a square. For that I have to make this side align to this side. Fold it like this. Absolutely align it well. And I'm going to cut the remaining part, taking the guidance of this edge, this line. Putting this aside. I'm going to open my triangle and we are going to make a kite out of this. So this edge is going to meet the center like this. This edge meeting the center line. Over here, just making this, the tip of this edge very nice and pointy so it looks really neat, and pressing it nice and tight. Same thing we're going to do with this side. Going to fold the paper, making this edge meet the center. Making sure we get a nice pointy edge over here so that our paper looks really neat. After this, I'm going to fold it inwards like this. Now we have our longest side on top and two short sides over here at the bottom. Now I have to find a middle point over here. On the longer line, I have to find a middle point. So I'm just going to take this tip and make them meet each other, but I'm not going to fold the paper. I'm just going to slightly give it a nice, just a pinch over here. Just going to give a pinch like this to find my middle portion like this. Okay, now taking this middle portion, I have to fold this, the smaller side, the one which has the smaller side. I'm going to fold it inwards. Okay, keeping my finger over here, fold it in such a way that this part becomes a nice and pointy edge. Like this, absolutely folding it well, making this pointy because this is going to be the point of a beak. Okay, and now I'm just going to wrap this up. So turning my paper over, folding it, aligning with this side and folding it like this. Again turning my paper, and the remaining part I'll fold it like this, and the leftover, this small bit, I'm just going to tuck it inside, and this is how our finger puppet will look. Now since I can see the fold here, I'm going to use it like this. So this is going to be my front. Now let's start adding features to our bird puppet. So I'm just taking the yellow color and going over the beak. flip it over, put our fingers like this inside the pocket, and there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try making these super simple fingerbird puppets, and you can even tell a story using them. So do send us your pictures when you make them. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook under the name Playful Poodles. Till then, take care.